So how you doing?
Good. So I just got back from Florida, so I've been on a plane, so just a little stiff from that.
Okay, but not too bad?
Not too bad, no.
Awesome.
So
Right there, you feel it?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So we're gonna do a little adjustment that direction. Breathe in. Nice. And breathe in. Nice. Just goes like so. Any pain with that? And exhaling. There it is. Man, you took a wallop today. Just tucks in a little bit. I'm going to go light first, because if it pops light, why do it hard? But exhaling. I got one. And lift your head up. And exhaling. Relax. Nope. There it is. Boy, it took 2 doubles today. Yeah, I'm not the only good chiropractor out there.